Now, Action News Now Storm Tracker weather. Coverage you can count on.
Here again is a live look at that column of smoke over the Dixie Fire.
Chief Meteorologist Jason Stiff is tracking conditions around this fire. Jason, what are we looking at today?
Well, we still have that sustained wind in general between 10 and 15 miles an hour. I have seen some wind gusts between 15 and 25 at times, but thankfully those have been the exceptions, and we still have that same south to north airflow, which has maintained a fairly consistent spread of this fire. I wish we could have less wind than this, but we're lucky we don't have stronger wind. But we do have more wind in Modoc County. Once again, a red flag warning through 8 o'clock tonight. Another one from 3 p.m. until 8 p.m. on Thursday. Again, for the same reasons, gusts up to 25 miles an hour possible there. Hot and dry air, dry fuel. Fortunately, no lightning strikes, but we'll have a chance later in the forecast for additional monsoonal storms. Details about that coming up. Right now it's 87 degrees in Chester, still awfully smoky, not quite as bad as yesterday and slightly warmer as a result. 95 hot degrees in Chico. It's 99 degrees in Red Bluff and Redding, and Redding's high today 100 degrees. But the most active area of weather around all of Northern California is the smoke pouring out of the Dixie Fire right now. But because we're going to have that monsoonal moisture in the air currently, we're not getting those gigantic buildups, those pyrocumulonimbus clouds that actually caused a little bit of rain, but also a lot of lightning a couple days ago. Things will be fairly quiet and fairly clear if you subtract out all the haze and smoke. Lots of sunshine both Thursday and Friday, and that sun is going to stay there on Saturday. Then we'll have yet another weather pattern change. I've been tracking the trough of low pressure. It's going to get pushed off to the north, and here comes another round of monsoonal moisture. But just like last Sunday and this past Monday where we had the clouds, we didn't have a good chance for rain, and we don't have a good chance with this surge either. It's not impossible to have some showers of rain mainly over the mountains. Isolated thunderstorms cannot be ruled out, but they'll be the exception rather than the rule. But the good news is the wind will not be that strong. Here are the wind gusts. When we have wind gusts between 20 and 25 miles an hour, that means that sustained wind in general between 10 and 15 miles an hour. It's going to be a little bit weaker on Friday into Saturday before we have another round of monsoonal moisture moving our way. As far as your yard work, you'll probably want to do it Thursday if you can, because it's going to be even hotter Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. If you have any dry grasses around your property, make sure you're careful. We don't want more fires to start. Here's your forecast in the northern mountains tomorrow, expecting lower to mid 90s, 92 degrees for Mount Shasta, 95 degrees for Weaverville, also 95 degrees for Quincy and Shingletown, smoky and 87 in Chester as well as in Mineral. For Butte Meadows, 83 degrees for a high tomorrow, 88 degrees for Forest Ranch, 90 degrees for Magalia, and 92 degrees for Paradise. For the Valley, we'll have lows tonight under a clear sky in the 60s, highs right where they're supposed to be, slightly higher than today, 100 to 102 degrees on Thursday, and the Chico area also lows tonight in the 60s, highs in the upper 90s and lower 100s for your Thursday afternoon. We expect a warming trend through Saturday, then increasing clouds early next week, dropping the temperature in Chico down to 93 degrees. That'll feel pretty comfortable compared to what we've had. And for Redding, still many more triple-digit days than 90s, but by Monday and Tuesday, those clouds could keep us in the upper 90s.